In this tutorial, we're going to use Doxie's Promote to Landing Page feature. This option ensures that the book you're promoting becomes the star of your shelf's landing page. First off, head over to your workspace home. Once you're there, find the shelf where you want to make this magic happen. Within that shelf, you'll spot all your books neatly listed. Pick the one you want to shine as the landing page and give it a click. Now, look for those 3 dots next to the book's title. That's your options menu. Click on it to open up a world of possibilities for that book. In the menu that appears, you'll see the golden ticket, Promote to Landing Page. Click on it. Your selected book now takes center stage as the landing page for that shelf. Remember, you can only have one book at a time as the landing page. So if you want to change it up later, just repeat these steps starting from picking a different book. One important thing to note, once a book becomes the landing page, you can't delete it directly. You'll need to promote another book to replace it first. Got it? Awesome! Now go ahead and make that shelf shine with your chosen book. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.